Hello kids! Waving hand, grinning face with smiling eyes. Do you want to learn animal names and fun facts? Then this video is just for you. Dog face, lion face, elephant. Today, we will learn the names of amazing animals and discover some interesting and fun facts about them. Starstruck! So let's start our fun journey into the wonderful world of animals. First, we will make the animal's place by spreading the soil. We will make a small area green. We will make a pond where the animals can drink fresh water. We will put white stones to make it look nice. We will plant trees and flowers which are good for the animals. A giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. Its tongue is about 45 centimeters long. Giraffes sleep only 10 to 20 minutes a day. Zebras' black and white stripes help keep them cool. Every zebra has a different stripe pattern. They can run up to 65 kilometers per hour. Horse runs very fast. Baby horse is called a foal. Horse eat grass and hay. Horse can drink lots of water. A tiger is the largest wild cat. Every tiger has unique stripes like fingerprints. Tigers are great swimmers. Pandas love eating bamboo. They eat for 10 to 12 hours a day. Pandas love to roll and play. A gray parrot is a very smart bird. It has gray feathers and a red tail. Gray parrots can copy words and sounds. They eat fruits, seeds, and nuts. A koala is a small, cute animal from Australia. It lives in trees and eats eucalyptus leaves. Koalas sleep most of the day and have soft fur and strong claws. Elephants are the largest land animals. Their trunk helps them drink, breathe, and pick things up. Elephants have a very strong memory. The lion is called the king of the jungle. Only male lions have a big mane. Lions sleep for 18 to 20 hours a day. cow stomach has 4 parts. Baby cows are called calves. Cows can walk up to 5 miles a day. Dairy cows give us milk. Donkey is a strong animal. Baby donkey is called a foal. Donkey can carry heavy loads. Donkey says hee-haw. A camel is called the ship of the desert. It can live for days without water. The hump stores fat, not water. A bear is a big and strong animal. It lives in forests, eats fruits, honey, and fish, can swim very well, and sleeps for a long time in winter. Leopards can run up to 58 kilometers per hour. They often carry their food up a tree. Leopards are excellent climbers. Gorillas share 98% DNA with humans. They live in groups called troops. Gorilla mostly eat fruits, leaves, and plants.